Hello class. When a cell is connected to an external resistance, then the current flows through it, and also the current flows inside the electrolyte, including electrodes. So the material of electrolyte and electrodes apply a kind of opposition to the flow of current through it. This is known as internal resistance of a cell. Denoted by small r, its unit is again ohm, and it is due to the electrolytes and electrodes. Next is terminal potential difference. V. So when the current is flowing through the circuit, means the cell is supplying charge or current. Then if we apply voltmeter here across the electrodes of the cell, then the potential difference between the electrodes is called terminal potential difference. Potential difference across electrodes of a cell when it is supplying charge in the circuit. Now let us develop a relation between these components. Let this is a resistance R, a cell is there, key is closed, positive negative, current is flowing. Let internal resistance of the cell is R and EMF of the cell is E. Then the current in the circuit is given by net EMF, potential difference upon total resistance R plus small r, which are in series. Therefore, we have E is equal to IR plus I small r. Now this IR is the terminal potential difference. This is IR. So we have V is equal to terminal potential difference is equal to EMF minus current into internal resistance. This is one equation number 1. Now let us put the value of current I is equal to E upon capital R plus small r in this equation 1. Then we have V is equal to E minus E upon R plus R into small r. Now V is equal to E is taken common, 1 minus small r upon capital R plus R, and this is nothing but E capital R upon R plus R. Now transfer this V to the denominator and take this R upon R plus R to the left side. So we have R plus R upon capital R is equal to E upon V. and this is nothing but 1 plus small r upon capital R, because we have taken r upon r plus small r upon r is E upon V. Therefore r upon r is E upon V minus 1, and internal resistance then R is nothing but capital R into E upon V minus 1. So this is the relationship between small r, capital R, E and V.